Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I will show you how to remove Windows.old in Windows 10 and free up space on your C drive quickly and safely. Step 1. Press Windows plus S on your keyboard and type Disk Cleanup, then open the app. This tool helps you manage and remove unnecessary files from your system. Step 2. Select the C drive and click OK to let Windows calculate all the files that can be safely removed. This scan shows the storage you can recover. Step 3. Click on Cleanup System Files and select the C drive again. This allows Disk Cleanup to access system-level files, including previous Windows installations. Step 4. Check the box for previous Windows installation apps, along with any other temporary files you want to remove. Selecting these files ensures you free up the most space. Step 5. Click OK and then delete files to permanently remove Windows.old from your system. This step completes the cleanup and clears the old Windows files from your drive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more useful Windows tips.